Hi everyone! I have had a busy couple of weeks which I have not been able to vlog, so let's just cut down into the cheese, shall we? If you are new to my channel, my name is Donna. I vlog day-to-day life with a thyroid condition and anything in general because I enjoy doing this kind of thing. I have also said in my previous vlogs that I suffer with otitis externa, which is basically known as swimmer's ear. And not 2 days ago, I ended up with it in this ear yet again. So this ear is pretty much useless, it's muffled, can't hear nothing. So while I was at work yesterday, I had to ring the doctors to get an appointment and then get myself some more 𝓕𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤 spray to treat the issue. Which makes no sense because the amount of times I have it, they still want me to come in and be examined by them when I tell them the symptoms are all the same all the time. It's really weird, but they prescribed other people antibiotics just over the phone. Cutting that all aside, I have actually considered doing a YouTube channel that runs alongside this one, but for my holidays and days out. It wouldn't be a busy channel because we don't get to go on holiday or away as often as a lot of travel vloggers do, but I do like to share our little travel adventures. But I haven't fully decided if I'm going to go down that path yet. I was also able to acquire one of these bags. These are from Soap and Glory. It's like a gift set bag with some toiletries. I was able to utilize it for some cruise essentials. So what I actually have in here currently is what I like to call the spray, but it's actually poop spray. My travel washing line, my carabiners, magnetic hooks and air tags, and then because there's actually some space left in it, I might squeeze something else in there as well. I'm actually hoping to hunt down another one of these bags because I do like them, they are handy. So with a bit of luck, I can get another one for my coat hangers. I am home alone now for a couple of nights. My other half is nighting out in the wagon, which means that I can starfish the bed and have the bed all to myself. So let's see what I can get up to in the next couple of days. It is another day and it is a miserable day. It's like we shot straight back into winter again. It is horrible out there. We had some snow and some rain, so that didn't last very long, and it is really grey and gloomy, and it just makes everything else. It makes my mood really grey and gloomy. It sucks. Seeing as this day has been a complete write-off, especially for vlogging, with the weather being so crap, I decided that I'm going to reevaluate my shoe organised box. I wanted to get those toiletry bags and see if anyone was like giving them away or anything, and I can use them for when we're packing for our cruise holiday. At the moment, this is absolutely jam-packed and overflowing with stuff. I mean, I've got stuff down at the bottom that are actually soaps and, you know, like the free little soap bar that you get on cruise ships, and I've overfilled the pockets with them, so I need to put them somewhere else because there's just too many of them. Finally found a box that I can use that would be big enough to house all of my little soaps, but they are so cute. I mean, look, we have these Royal Caribbean lotions and stuff, and they're called Salt and Breeze. And we actually have our soaps and stuff that we bought, well, rather, that we had in our room when we was at Disney World. They have a new home and they will be kept in this box, and hopefully I can make use of them as the year goes on because they are really cute. There we have it. I have labelled that box, and I've also labelled the bag as well. So that's like my shelf that I use for bits and pieces, because like up here has got our cruise formal photos and photos in general. Carl's cabin shoes that I have there. The box with the soaps and stuff, my spare travel bottles, my hair towels, which I haven't had or used since Christmas, and then all my other bits like me Royal Caribbean tote bag, like my beach bag. And that shelf has just got Carl's waterproof rucksack. So essentially, that's like all it is for that cupboard. There's my lanyard for our cruise in May, and I actually love that lanyard. It has this cute like keyring that dangles off it as well, which I absolutely love. So this is a quick recap of the things that we have learnt to take with us when we're on our cruise ship. So obviously I have my sunglasses, travel wash, which is very, very good. You can get a good amount of washes out of that for underwear and small vests, whatever. Towel clips, we always had towel clips, so we always have those with us. Coat hangers, these are foldable, very, very good on Amazon. I buy these from Body Care quite a lot. These are travel deodorants. They are very cute and small. So one of them actually does last a week, if not more. I always have one in my work bag, so my everyday bag. Phone lanyards, usually I use those when I'm walking around the ship. Ship lanyards like the one behind me with the Royal Caribbean keyring on it. My atomizer sprays and a little pot of Sudocrem, which just pops in. That can last even longer than a week. It's great. My hairbrush, which is actually a child's hairbrush. I bought it in Southampton because I forgot mine in September. Plastic luggage tags. The others are on the suitcases, but these are very good for the likes of the paper tags that we have on the ships because they get wet and the ink runs, so we have them. I can't put those back in. First sewing kit, which you can get a smaller one, and I probably will downsize that to basic colours as opposed to all of them. Another shoe organizer, which will be for the cabin. Manicure set. Travel toothbrush, which is very, very good. Looks like that. Toothbrush head for him and one for me, and the brush itself, and we have the charger that comes with it. That is very clever to have. Glasses cleaner, scales, and that's it, I think. Obviously we have our toiletry bag over here for all our painkillers and stuff, and the soaps, which last a week as well, plus the soaps that you can use in the cabin on the ship. Then, as aforementioned earlier in the vlog, I have poop spray, carabiners, travel washing line, my air tags, another lanyard, and magnetic hooks, which are amazing, and I might even buy some more yet. The day is yet again miserable and finds me ready to go to the dentist for my 6 monthly checkup. Hopefully my teeth are fine. They were the last time I came. No fillings needed, nothing. Everything was great. Carl should be finishing work and home by 1 o'clock-ish, so we got something planned for today. I have no idea what it's going to be yet. And try and make the most of it, even though the weather's pretty crap. We'll probably end up going to Preston or something, I don't know, but we shall see. I have a package at home waiting for me. It is a clutch bag for my formal dress, so when I get home I'm going to have a look at that as well. Just when I thought I had a clean bill of health with my teeth, I have to have a filling. So I have that booked in for the end of the month, and I am pretty sad because I thought I was doing really well, making sure my teeth are clean. Nope. So now I have to have that sorted. Just for a checkup, it's like 20 odd quid. So yeah, not fun at all. But I'm going to go see my granddad now on this gloomy, gloomy day. So here's my handbag for the cruise to go with my pink dress, and it seems very spacious in there. There's an inside pocket, so portable chargers and cables will go in there. My cruise card will go in there, and it will match with my dress, so I am actually very, very happy with that. We decided to come to Preston, and because we are both working on Valentine's Day, we decided to throw caution in the wind and to eat our Valentine's dinner at no better place than 𝕕𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤, because we absolutely love Caribbean food and alcohol and jerk chicken and everything that comes with it, so here we are. After our little trip into Preston, I have found myself in B&M's. I love coming in B&M's. Yes, it's a lot of stuff that doesn't last long, but I can make it last a very long time. I do like coming in here to see what I can find storage wise and making everything be a little bit more simpler at home. It's quite quiet in here tonight, which means when I'm very shy when it comes to vlogging, so I try to go to a quiet area so I can do it without worrying about many people being round. So really, I'm just having a mooch, and it's dangerous to mooch. Some really cool travel accessories I've just spotted in here. You've got your usual luggage straps and scales and stuff like that, but they actually have toiletry bags and packing cubes as well, which took me by surprise because I've never seen them sell these before. So I'm actually off upstairs now to have a quick mooch around because Carl's going to be waiting, and I'm picking something up from a lady tonight as well for the suitcases, like packing ideas, so I do need to get a shift on a little bit. Now we're home and I am so tired, but on my messages today on Facebook I exchanged some about this bag, and it is like a toiletry case which all my magnetic hooks and stuff are going to go into now, and I should be able to fit all my coat hangers in there too. It's massive and it's pretty much what I was looking for. I have more of these now, another supply of 20 Instax mini slides, so that makes me really happy. I also popped into Kenji and I got myself this really cute key ring. I love it, and it's all like gooey inside. It's so adorable. This notebook as well for my rucksack so I can make quick notes if I need to. I never have a notepad in there, so I do need one. And this really cute cushion cover, which, because the cushions that I bought off Amazon are not the right size for the settee, I've got myself this, and this is going to go on my chair when I am not using it upstairs with my desk. And there we have it, because I recently bought this mouse mat by accident, but because it was already in my basket I just ended up with it, so that's fine. And there's my cushion cover. Happy days. So there we have it. I have labelled all of the items in here, which will actually make it easier to pack when the time comes. And in here I labelled everything as well. I'm trying to make sure the light isn't in the way of everything that's in here, and this is the bag that someone kindly gave to me in the local area, and I can actually still get more room in that, so I'm actually really happy with it. I don't know what else I'm going to put in there, but I am actually really happy with that. So that's the end of another vlog, and I hope you guys have really enjoyed it and you tune in for the next one. But remember, don't forget to subscribe.